Hello and welcome to this WordPress tutorial. Today's topic is dealing with the block navigation feature within WordPress's Gutenberg / block editor. So this guy up here is a very handy tool to have because, as you can see, it kind of gives you a hierarchy flow chart of how your page is or your blog post is constructed. So it breaks down all the blocks that are actually been implemented within your page, so for easy selection. A lot of times when you're kind of like wanting to select something, for this example, this is kind of a prime example of what most people kind of struggle with. Is like, I'm trying to select this entire column block, not an individual column, and you kind of have to fuss around with clicking to and guesstimate where it is, and it's not, as you can see, I'm trying to locate it via this method. It's not super obvious. Well, that's where this guy comes into play. You can kind of just select it like that, and now you have your hands on the column block. So I can then, of course, switch, deal with the column as a global element. And speaking of which, in regards to the columns block, I do have a video tutorial on this very topic, so I would encourage you to check that out if you want to kind of dig deeper into this individual block with all kinds of useful info. But yeah, so the block navigation, as mentioned, allows you to kind of use it to select things without having to fuss with clicking around in random spots. So it's a very useful little thing, and I use it all the time. Especially when you get to pages or blog posts that get pretty complex, when they have multiple, hierarchies of columns or other sorts of complexities that are introduced within the block editor. So I thought I'd kind of point this piece out. This is just a short, quick video. Hope you found that useful. If you did, please, I encourage you to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below in the video, and I'd be happy to kind of answer whatever questions are posed. All right, thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you in the next one.